Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X2 versus the Rafale. We'll explore their fundamental differences, from their intended use to their operational domains. This comparison highlights the unique engineering and design philosophies behind a luxury vehicle and a high-performance military jet. Understanding these distinctions helps appreciate their specialized roles. When we talk about performance, the differences are stark. The BMW X2 provides a smooth, powerful ride for daily driving, with engines offering up to 300 horsepower. In contrast, the Rafale, with its two powerful engines, delivers immense thrust for supersonic flight and complex aerial maneuvers. Its operational ceiling is over 50,000 feet, far beyond any road vehicle's capability. These machines operate in entirely different realms. Considering cost and practicality, the BMW X2 is an accessible luxury vehicle for many, offering everyday utility and comfort. Its fuel efficiency is measured in miles per gallon. The Rafale, however, is a highly specialized military asset, representing a significant national investment. Its operational costs, including fuel and maintenance, are astronomical, reflecting its advanced technology and critical defense role. They are simply not comparable for ownership. In conclusion, while both the BMW X2 and the Rafale represent peak engineering in their fields, their purposes are fundamentally different. The X2 offers a luxurious and practical driving experience, perfect for navigating our world's roads. The Rafale, on the other hand, is a marvel of aerospace technology, designed for air superiority and defense. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Each machine is a testament to human ingenuity, fulfilling its specialized role with exceptional capability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.